All right, now the engine is back on its place. It took us really a lot of time. Now Rashid is going to attach the silencer with the catalytic converter, and yeah, and I am going to fit the front portion, this radiator condenser, and attach all the wiring loops with the inner wiring. And yeah, I have to connect the petrol pipes, and I have to complete this area also. So yes, there's a lot of work still pending. I hope today we will complete the front portion of this part, and afterward we have to start this engine, and we have to dent this panel also. Why? Because it's just a small dent, not that major thing. So yeah, it is going to. Now we have to dent this thing also, and then afterwards we will complete with the headlights and bonnet and fender. We already have the fender, so it's a really good fender. It doesn't have any kind of dents on it. So we have to just put this fender there, and yeah, it will be get completed. Already we have bought the suspension, it's over there, and another part is over there. So we have to just complete the car. So let's get started. Thing I've just noticed on this wiring loop that most of the wires are cut. So first I have to connect these wires properly, and then we will start assembling the fuse box. Okay, now I have fitted the complete suspension. It's a really heavy suspension. Now I'm just left over with the dry shaft. I have to connect this dry shaft with the gearbox. These 6 bolts hold the dry shaft with the gearbox, and this I have to be really careful while bolting up these bolts, or because once if they get slipped, there's no use. It will be really hard to remove this bolt also. So yeah, I have to be really careful with this, and yep. And then I will be left over with this brake pipe, which I have to connect it over there, and just connect the ABS wire. Then I'm good to go for the another side of the suspension.